And then sometime later, because that's how the universe works, sometimes when you're looking for answers, the cosmos throws a question right back at you, a query that echoes through galaxies, challenging everything you thought you knew about life, death, and the boundaries of existence, because now we're playing a game where the rules keep shifting, where the pieces are scattered across time and space, and where the stakes aren't just about winning. They're about understanding why we're even playing at all. Here's the thing: reality has a funny way of mirroring fiction. Just as Carl Sagan warned about humanity's tendency to invent gods in our own image, our stories often reflect our deepest fears and aspirations. And let's face it, the idea of being watched, of knowing that someone or something has their eyes on us, taps into a primal fear that's as old as time itself. Think about ancient cultures looking up at the stars and weaving tales of celestial beings observing their every move. It's a narrative thread that runs through mythology, religion, and now modern science fiction. The fear of divine retribution, the hope for salvation, now enter the realm of movies like Arrival, where a mysterious alien presence disrupts our reality, challenging our perception of time and human experience. It's a cinematic exploration of our deepest anxieties, but also a reflection of our insatiable curiosity about the cosmos. Stories like these resonate with us because they challenge our understanding of the world. They force us to confront our place in the universe and to grapple with questions that have been pondered by philosophers and scientists alike. What does it mean to exist? Are we truly alone? And what happens when the boundaries between reality and perception blur? But let's talk about more than just stories. Let's dive into the data. Take a look at the night sky from any point in history, and what do you see? Stars, constellations that have guided travelers, inspired artists, and sparked the imaginations of dreamers for millennia. These celestial bodies have been constant companions to humanity. But what if I told you that the universe isn't quite as static as it seems? Enter the idea of dynamic constellations, a concept that challenges our perception of the cosmos as unchanging and absolute. The very fabric of the universe, it turns out, is woven with threads of change. The positions of stars shift imperceptibly over time. New stars are born in distant nebulae, while others fade into white dwarfs, remnants of their former glory. And then there's the unsettling realization that the vast majority of stars are not stationary. They're in motion, hurtling through space along trajectories that have been set in motion since the dawn of time. Some dance around the galactic core, while others, like our sun, navigate the solar system's embrace. It's a truth that our naked eyes cannot perceive, but telescopes have unveiled this cosmic ballet. And in the grand theater of the universe, we are mere spectators witnessing an endless performance. But here's where things get truly mind-bending. These dynamic shifts aren't confined to the distant reaches of space. They affect us intimately here in our planetary cradle. Our very notion of a constant night sky is an illusion, a comforting lie that has allowed civilizations to thrive under the steady gaze of eternal stars. But the truth is that the cosmos doesn't care about our need for constancy. It shifts, changes, and evolves without regard for our perceptions. When you think about it, the foundation of many human endeavors, from agriculture to navigation, from mythology to cartography, are based on the assumption of a stable cosmos. We plan our lives around the predictable cycles of day and night, the constancy of the seasons, the reassuring familiarity of the stars. But what if that stability is a mirage? What if the universe is a dynamic, ever-changing entity that defies our attempts to categorize and understand it? It challenges us to reevaluate our relationship with the cosmos, to acknowledge that we are not merely observers, but participants in a grand cosmic dance. It's a perspective shift that echoes the challenges posed by stories like Arrival. In that film, the rigid linear perception of time that humans cling to is shattered when confronted with the circular, non-linear perception of an alien species. Suddenly, our ingrained notions of cause and effect, past, present, and future seem arbitrary, culturally determined rather than universally absolute. But let's return to the spectacle above. For centuries, the motion of celestial bodies was a source of fascination and speculation. Philosophers grappled with the implications of a shifting cosmos. Theologians sought to reconcile divine creation with the apparent movement of the heavens, and scientists embarked on quests to unravel the mysteries of the universe. Names like Copernicus, Galileo, and Kepler became synonymous with revolutions, and in the tapestry of scientific discovery, there's one thread that stands out as particularly profound: the realization that the Earth is not the center of the universe. This revelation, born from the meticulous observations of astronomers and mathematicians, shattered the anthropocentric worldview that had prevailed for millennia. It placed our planet in a solar system that revolved around the sun, a system shared by a multitude of other worlds. And it didn't stop there. As telescopes peered deeper into the cosmos, they revealed a universe brimming with galaxies, each a hub of stars and planets, each a testament to the boundless creativity of cosmic forces. This cosmic revelation wasn't just a scientific breakthrough, it was a philosophical earthquake that challenged the very core of human understanding. It forced us to confront the humbling realization that we occupy a minuscule corner of an unimaginably vast universe, a corner that until recently was shrouded in darkness. Think about it. For millennia, the limitations of human perception kept the cosmos a mystery. We marveled at the stars, but we couldn't decipher their language. We saw wonders in the night sky, but we lacked the tools to understand them. But now, with the advent of powerful telescopes and space probes, the veil of obscurity is lifting. We are glimpsing wonders that were previously hidden from our view. The images that returned from the James Webb Space Telescope are a case in point. They showcase the birth of stars in distant nebulas, the dance of celestial bodies in intricate formations, and the delicate beauty of galaxies spiraling across the expanse of space. With each new image, we are reminded of the breathtaking complexity and grandeur of the universe. But this unveiling comes with a profound irony. As we peer deeper into the cosmos, as we uncover the secrets of distant galaxies and unravel the mysteries of stellar formation, we also realize how much we don't know. Every new discovery raises a cascade of fresh,